How to make a loop animation. First of all, we need to add an empty object to the scene, then change the shader editor to 3D viewport. Next, select your object and last the empty object and parent them with Ctrl P, then object. Also, if you have lights in the scene, select them and parent them to the empty object with Ctrl P, then object. It's done. Like this, we can move our objects and lights by just moving the parent object, and his children will rotate with him. Now we should drag our timeline, change the time of the animation to 300, go to the first frame, then select the empty and give it a rotation keyframe by clicking I, then rotation. Go to the last frame, select the parent object and rotate it in 360 degree in the Z-axis and give it a rotation keyframe also. If you play our animation by pressing space in the keyboard, we see that we need to change the interpolation to have a linear transition. To do that, select all the keyframes in the timeline, then press right mouse button, go to interpolation and select linear. And like this, we are done. We can render our animation by pressing Ctrl F12. And this is everything in the tutorial. See you in the next one. Assalamu alaikum.